Hi, I'm Kelly Markham, Public Information Officer for Caltrans District 7, and I'm here on the new direct HOV connector between I-5 and State Route 14. This is just south of Santa Clarita. I'm here today with the resident engineer of the project, Vladimir Gerfinkel.
Hi.
He's a key member of the construction team, and he's going to tell us a little bit more about the project. First of all, Vladimir, what exactly is a direct HOV connector?
Direct HOV connector is the connector that allows traveling motorists to travel on HOV, to use HOV lanes without leaving the HOV lanes and transfer from 5 to 14 using the HOV lanes.
If I'm driving in the carpool lane on the 5, I want to go to the carpool lane on the 14, I'll be able to stay in that carpool lane without having to get out.
Absolutely. You can stay in carpool lane without getting out, without leaving the carpool lane, and you can travel using this carpool lane, yes.
And I bet that's going to be great for people in the mixed flow lanes, the regular lanes as well, because that will reduce congestion and improve travel times for everyone.
It'll free up the flow. It'll make things better. It's an improvement. It's definitely an improvement in the area.
All right, now, what are we looking at here?
We're looking at the bridge. We're looking at the actual HOV bridge structure. We're standing particularly on the half of the bridge that will take motorists to the northbound direction. This is the northbound direction travel. There's going to be pretty wide shoulders on each side, and there's going to be one lane going northbound.
Tell me about some of the challenges you encountered when constructing this connector.
Well, obviously this is a major project, and connector is part of this project. Connector is the reason why we did all this widening, cutting the mountains and pushing to the right, to the left, widening right side, widening the left side, make sure we can build this connector, fit this connector in the middle. This entire bridge spans over the railroad. You can't see it from here. You can only see it from underneath. From here, it looks pretty innocent.
Well, I'll tell you what, I would love to get a look at those columns, the railroad tunnel. Do you think that maybe you could take me down beneath the connector and show me what was going on down there?
Absolutely. I think we can go right now. Let's take a look at it.
All right, let's go.
Yes.
Vladimir, we are standing here on the Sierra Highway off-ramp from I-5.
Yes, and we're looking at the connector bridge that we built right above it. Right above us. This is the bridge that we built, and going all the way to the point where you see those horizontal beams, what I called outrigger beams earlier, with those columns. And all those columns and all this structure is what we built as part of this project.
How tall is this structure?
This is going over 150 feet above, believe it or not.
All right, Vladimir, what are we looking at right here?
Right here we're looking at, this is the railroad tunnel. The railroad is right there. We had to construct a structure that spans, full service structure that spans above the railroad tunnel, above the railroad, not interfere with railroad and or the railroad tunnel, and put columns next to the tunnel, next to the railroad, but without interference, in a safest manner. That's what we did.
The new direct HOV connector will open in January 2013. The entire project will wrap up in early spring. Caltrans reminds you to drive carefully, don't text and drive, and as always, slow for the cone zone.